Hi everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to delete Fruit Ninja 2 application from your mobile device. Whether you are using an Android or an iPhone, you can simply delete the application in just few simple steps. Simply go ahead and spot Fruit Ninja 2 application inside your app drawer. Press hold the application and a menu will pop up right above the app icon. Tap on Remove App or Delete App twice, and then you will be able to delete Fruit Ninja 2 application from your mobile device, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.